Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can cancel your 14-day free trial on Crunchyroll. Let's dive right in. So first things first, if you're using a web browser to cancel your Crunchyroll free trial, all you have to do is simply log in. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on your profile icon, which should be on the top right corner. A drop-down menu will open, and then go ahead and click on the My Account option. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and find the membership plan option, which should be on the left side of the screen. Once you've done that, you should see an option for cancel membership. Once you've done that, your membership has now been canceled and you will not be charged. It is as simple as that. And if you're using an iPhone or an iPad, all you have to do is open the settings app, go ahead onto your Apple ID, and once you've clicked on that, go ahead and find the subscriptions option, find Crunchyroll once you've done that, and go ahead and simply click on cancel subscription. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thanks.